Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2003 Suzuki SV650. This twin-cylinder V-Twin just arrived. Beautiful shape with 19,600 miles. Liquid cooled. It's got a nice smoke windscreen, fender eliminator. Come on by, make your SV650 dreams come true for just $33.99. This bike is priced to sell. It's not going to be here long. Only got 19,000 miles on the odometer. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.